In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lightbox in Wix. A lightbox is a powerful tool for engaging your website's visitors and grabbing their attention with important announcements or creative content. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, start by opening your preferred web browser and head over to wix.com. Once there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. From here, look for the option that says Select and Edit Site. This link will take you to a list of all your website projects currently hosted on Wix. Once you've selected the site you wish to edit, click on the Design Site button. This will redirect you to the Wix Website Editor, a platform where you can unleash your creativity and make changes to your selected site. Now, with your website editor open, let's focus on adding that lightbox. Over on the left side of the editor, you'll notice several tabs, one of which is the Add button, designated by a plus symbol. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click it, a new menu will open, offering various elements you can add to your site. For our purpose today, find and select the Interactive section. In this new Interactive section, you'll see an option for Lightbox. Feel free to browse through the different templates Wix offers. They're designed to suit various needs and occasions, so choose the one that aligns with your message and aesthetic preferences. Upon selecting your desired lightbox, you'll see a button labeled Add to Site. Clicking this will integrate the lightbox into your page, making it ready for you to customize. Remember, customization is key. Personalizing your content will ensure your message resonates with your audience. Double-click on your new lightbox to access editing options. Here, you can adjust text, images, and background colors to match the theme of your website and maintain visual coherence. Finally, always preview your site to ensure everything looks great and functions properly before publishing any changes. This practice helps catch any errors and gives an accurate representation of how your viewers will experience your site. Congratulations! You've just added a lightbox to your Wix website. It's a handy tool for drawing attention to announcements, promotions, or captivating content. Keep experimenting with different designs and messages to see what works best for your audience. Thanks for following along, and happy designing on Wix!